Hello, Jazz again, this time for Module 5. So, yeah, we're at the halfway point of the course. Just a heads up, you'll be very busy next week. So, Module 5 is kind of like a recap module. I like to think of it like that, where you get to practically apply the accounting cycle while picking up some new skills. It's a simple retail kind of situation where you learn a little bit about sale discounts and purchase discounts and the nuances of a retail business in context of accounting, but you also get to apply the cycle and see how it works for real, right? So that's pretty cool. There is an interesting discussion thread now open about selling experience, basically. It's a little bit off topic. I think sometimes it irks some students that it's not really in the context of accounting. But I did mention that there will be some interesting things coming up, which will not tie directly to the course, but allow you to bring in your outside experiences and passions and stuff like that. So have some fun with that, please, in the discussion forum. The item I want to focus on in this video is the third thing that's due in week 6. And you can basically complete this one right after you do your discussion post, which is the midpoint self assessment. So the idea is basically that you're going to give yourself a mark out of 5 and evaluate yourself, self evaluate on how well you have completed the discussions. So we started off with introductions, right? And then we kind of went from there. So we have 3 discussion threads which you can evaluate yourself on after you finish the latest one. And you can see here there's 2 self assessments. The first one is for the first half of the course, and then there's another one for the second half of the course, right? So I kind of trust you to do this honestly. The rubric basically says so. There's an example submission here. You're looking at engagement and also quality, right? And you have a rubric on this page which you can have a look at. Um, these basically each row has metrics. So hopefully you're at 5 on both, but that's kind of your decision, right? High engagement mean that you've posted at least once in each thread and basically in a timely manner. So you're not kind of doing them all at once at the end. I mean, you can do that. It's better than not doing them. But if you're keeping up every week and reading what your classmates have written, right, every couple of weeks, right, we have 3 threads, 6 weeks for the first half. And also the quality, right? So you have to self-evaluate. Were you kind of just rushing through the post, just trying to get them done, or were you kind of thinking about what you wanted to write, maybe doing a little bit of research, right? So have some fun with that, right? It's not a huge deal. Um, Try to be as honest as possible, and once you submit on this page, then I will be able to add those marks to your grade. So yeah, hopefully that can go well for you. Um, just a heads up that since next week you have a lot going on, you won't be required to. Well, you can complete the week 6 module if you want to, but because there's so much stuff due, I'm giving you a break. Week 6 and 7 will be due together, so you can kind of stay on schedule if you want to. But for the quiz, you get an extra week to complete the 6th one. But the trick is you also have the 7th one during the same week. So I'll remind you of that in the next video. But for now, just know that you have a very busy week coming up. And if you need any help or some special extensions, just reach out to me and I'll see what I can do for you.